I am a little Hermes fiend. I just can't even process the fact that it's September already. First Hermes baby item. And welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting the vlog outside. We are here on 2nd Street celebrating the opening of Mendocino Farms. They just opened. They invited a bunch of us to come and try it out. I'm here with my sister. We got a salad and a sandwich. Super excited to try. I haven't had Mendo in a while, so I'm really excited about this. I think it's gonna hit. Before I forget, if you guys like vlogs, hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and let's go look at this food. We got the Impossible Taco Salad, not so fried chicken sandwich. Michelle is obsessed with the Impossible Taco Salad. Do you want to tell everyone about it? She's put so many people on to it.
You need to get it with the chipotle vinaigrette, not the ranch, the vinaigrette. That's good.
Also, let me know if you guys are like this, but I ordered a sandwich because I'm eating with my sister, so I don't mind if it gets like everywhere. But normally if I eat in the office or I'm eating with friends or something, I'd always default to a salad. So I'm really excited about this sandwich. Guys, can you believe it's almost fall? I just can't even process the fact that it's September already and we only have like 4 months left in the year, which is so insane. But nonetheless, I do love fall fashion, and I picked up a few items from Fabrique that are super trendy. There's some suede, some leather, and I want to share with you guys because I'm so excited about these pieces. If you haven't heard of Fabrique, they are a collective designer brand. What that means is they collaborate with over 300 designers all around the world, and those designers craft unique pieces just for Fabrique. So I'm so excited to share with you guys the pieces that I selected. This one I was so excited about that I couldn't help myself and wore it last weekend already. It is brown again, and it is suede, which is ultra trendy this season. This is the cotton ham jacket in faux suede, made by the designer Sinha Stanek from London. Celebs like Beyonce and Kate Moss love their designs, and I can see why. This is one of those perfect transitional pieces and also really versatile pieces because it's relatively lightweight, so perfect for transitioning summer to fall, but it still keeps you quite warm. And even during the winter, I can just see myself pairing this with a turtleneck under, and it'll keep me extra warm. So you can really layer it and wear it for so many different seasons and occasions. The brown on this is stunning. It's such a rich caramel brown. And the style of jacket, kind of like a utility jacket, is super in right now too. So I love that this mixes a couple different trends. The crop on this is perfect. It just flatters me so nicely. I love how the sleeves are roomy, so you can wear a sweater underneath. I love the drop shoulder. Just so obsessed with this piece, and I felt so cute wearing it last week. Next up is actually the sweater that I'm wearing. The designer is Anna Pang. She's from Toronto. I love supporting Asian designers. I think that makes it even more special. She dresses Priyanka Chopra, such a queen, and she's been featured in InStyle and fashion. This is the Virginia handcrafted sweater, a really beautiful boucle material. And what made me really fall in love with this sweater is that it comes with a scarf. Like, how freaking chic is this? I love how this sweater just has a really nice relaxed fit, the drop shoulder, and I love that the sleeves are long so they kind of cover my arms and give me that extra warmth, and it just feels really like cute and cozy. I love that you can wear it with the scarf or without. It's a totally different look. And also the intentional distressing just gives it a really like cool, edgy girl, lived in look. Also, this material is so soft. It feels so good. It's not scratchy or itchy at all. It just feels so comfy. I can see myself wearing this nonstop throughout the entire fall and winter. Next up is this total showstopper. This is a faux leather trench coat. It's called the tie trench coat. It's in this beautiful, dark, rich brown color, which is so in for the fall. Designer is Maya Gogi Berry. It's from London. She dresses the Kardashians, Cardi B. Like, Does this not seem like something they would wear? Honestly, this was one of the pieces I was most excited about. I live in statement coats all throughout the fall and winter. The first thing people see, and I'm such a basics girly, most of my tops and bottoms are very neutral, so like black or beige, and I feel like a statement coat just immediately makes you look like you put in so much more effort and you're so chic and fashionable, and this is one of those pieces that will turn people's heads. I just love the design of this. I love that belting it and not belting it, again, gives you a kind of different look, takes you from day to night. Love how oversized this coat is, especially the collar. It just gives it such a chic look. Like I said, this color I'm obsessed with. Brown is so in, and I feel like this brown really flatters my skin tone, and honestly the material of this is so incredible. The last piece is this black off the shoulder sweater. This is the Aaliyah off shoulder pullover, and the designer is Roy Crutchberg from Paris. He used to design for Kenzo, which is such a cool girl brand, and I feel like you can really get elements of that through this sweater. This is honestly such a fun play on your classic black sweater. It's off the shoulder, it's a little bit sheer, which gives it that sexiness, and all the fringing is so cool girl and edgy. I feel like I'm gonna reach for this sweater all the time because it's just such a cool look and it still keeps you warm. So excited to rock all these pieces for fall. Thank you so much to Fabric for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let me know which item was your favorite, and if you want to purchase anything on Fabric, you can go ahead and use my discount code here and down below.
Slides that are like mesh with rhinestones.
Yeah.
Like she wore those to the dog park.
Wait,
and like
what?
cute little like, like more put together.
Do you think you know me?
No.
Okay, I'm overhearing a lot of conversation. It's very loud, and I'm trying to have a quiet morning.
Oh.
So I'm gonna call 911 if I hear you again saying things about me. You think, well, she's really being better now. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
We weren't talking about
Yeah, don't laugh loud either.
That was crazy. So I just made it home from our little walk. It was so nice and sunny outside. Devil's Teeth was delicious. But you guys saw in that little video clip, I was debating whether to keep it in or not. But that lady who came up to us and was threatening that she was gonna call 911 because we were talking too loudly when we honestly weren't. I have the video of us talking and we were talking in very normal voices. There were also a lot of like families and other people around us. And she just came up to us, and I don't know if we were just easy targets. I don't know if it's because I'm pregnant, and I just feel like I've been getting like weirder homeless or crazy people interactions. Actually, when we went to Boy Chick Bagel, there was one homeless and like mentally unwell lady who's calling me some pretty rude names and saying some stuff. And then I was actually at a Starbucks the other day, the one on 4th Street. There was a really weird guy who came in and made comments about me being pregnant and asking me a lot of like personal questions. And then he called me fat. And what was weird about that was that guy actually like seemed very normal. And same with this lady today. But yeah, after she said all of that to us, I was kind of like worried that my back was facing her because you just never know what people might do. And the other day, the news about the 49ers rookie and how he got robbed and shot in broad daylight in Union Square, like, these are some of the things that just make living in SF a little bit scary. And it's like, you don't want to feel scared walking around and worried that like in broad daylight, anything could happen. I mean, I love the city. We're so lucky. The weather is amazing. We have great food, great sports, great people, but just be safe out there, guys. Good morning, guys. I am getting ready for work right now. I'm headed into the office. I am running a little late. Just quickly making my morning coffee. I have a decaf espresso shot and then some milk. I want to show you guys, I have been obsessed with this pumpkin spice milk. Normally, I feel like a lot of these healthier, clean ingredient almond milks, they don't have fun flavors like this, and all the fun flavors, they usually have like not great ingredients. But this is super clean ingredients and it really does taste like fall, so I've been loving this. Also, as you can see, it froths pretty nicely, which I really like. It's like a healthy pumpkin spice latte. And then Tim was gone this weekend, and at the airport, he got me some Krispy Kreme donuts. I love Krispy Kreme. Like, there is no other donut in the world that hits as hard as Krispy Kreme. So I'm gonna bring one to the office. Also, I am wearing this super cute like pink shirt dress. It's supposedly like 81 degrees, which is so beautiful. We're finally getting our Indian summer here in San Francisco. So I'm trying to just like wear as many like summer clothes as possible before it starts getting cold again, and then we're all about the fall. Uber is coming in 2 minutes, so let's head to the office. I am a little Hermes fiend. I can't stop shopping there. I have the best time shopping with my sales associate, and they just have so much good stuff. So I picked up a couple things, just 2 things from Hermes the other day, and I want to do a little unboxing with you guys. The first item is so perfect for the fall. I am so pumped to wear these. These are the Go Mules. I've been thinking about these for a while, honestly, since last season. I decided to finally pull trigger because I just wear my sheep sandals so much. Dare I say they're my favorite designer shoes. They're just so comfortable, so chic, and I thought this could be a good replacement for the fall and winter. They remind me a lot of the Birkenstock clogs, which are so trendy right now, but just like a bougier version. I think they're gonna go with everything. They're the perfect color. When I was getting these, I was debating the ones with fur because those are so cute, but I just knew the colorway that it comes in. It's kind of like a warm brown gingerbread color, and I just knew it was too warm for me and it wouldn't go with as many outfits. So yeah, that's why I opted for these. I'm so excited for the weather to cool down in SF and to be able to wear these. Now this next item is really special because it's my first Hermes baby item. When I saw this, I just couldn't not get it. Let me know if you guys have any guesses what it is. Guys, my camera cut out literally at the most exciting part. So sorry if the framing is a little off, but let's unbox it together. Dun, 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 dun. You guys see what it is? It's a baby dragon. It's so cute. When I saw this, I just melted and I knew I had to get it. If you've been following my pregnancy journey, you know that I'm having a baby boy, hence why I got a dragon in blue. In Chinese culture, this year is the year of the dragon, which is really special. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, a blue dragon. So freaking adorable. And he's quite popular. My SA actually had to order this from the warehouse for me. I think I might have snagged the last one in all of the US, so yeah, he's so special. I can't wait to put him in the nursery. Also can't wait to show you guys once the nursery is done. Right now I'm finalizing the design and the pieces, and I'm placing the order soon. So hopefully in the next few weeks, I'll be able to share my finished nursery. But he's gonna go in it. Let me know if you guys have any names for him. We have to name him something, right? Okay, and with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Again, if you're looking for some cute fall fashion, definitely check out Fabrique. You can use my discount code right here. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being part of my journey. I feel like these are just some really, really special moments, and I just feel so grateful that I get to share this with you guys. Honestly, your comments mean so much. They really, really just make my day, and they make all of this worth it. So keep those comments coming, and let me know if there's any specific videos you guys want to see. More vlogs? Do you want to see more luxury content? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, share this with one of your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!